In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. This is actually a feature I use quite often on every Samsung device I'm testing because it's fun. If you want to change the look of your smartphone, go into Settings, scroll and hit Display. Now scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style, and then hit Font Style over here. Now you can either pick one of those font styles, tap on the best one and go back, or do what I do. So go into Font Style and hit Download Fonts instead to access all of those. You can buy one or pick one that's free. I will go with top free ones. Click on the chosen one, tap on Install, go back and apply it by tapping on it on the list. In order to go back to your default font style, just click on the same section and hit default at the top of the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!